carrying case provides a custom-molded interior that cradles the drone, controller, batteries, and charging hub securely, preventing movement that could damage the folding arms or propellers. In this video, we will look at best carrying cases for DJI Neo 2.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Honlyn case. The Hanland case often distinguishes itself with a semi-rigid, custom-fitted design that strikes an excellent balance between lightweight portability and robust protection, typically utilizing high-density EVA foam and a durable, water-resistant nylon or PU leather shell. The Hanland case provides superior shock absorption compared to a standard sling bag. The key to its quality lies in its meticulously crafted interior foam, which is precision cut to hold the DJI Neo 2 drone, the RC-N3 or RC2 controller, multiple intelligent flight batteries, and the charging hub in dedicated slots. This custom molding ensures that no component rattles or shifts during transit, which is vital for protecting the delicate gimbal and the new obstacle avoidance sensors. The Hanland design frequently includes an internal mesh pocket in the lid for flat accessories like cables and spare propellers. For the pilot who travels often but keeps the case inside a larger backpack or luggage, the Hanland provides a confidence-inspiring layer of protection without adding excessive bulk or weight. On number 2, we have Yajojo case. The Yajojo case typically appeals to the minimalist pilot who values speed and compactness above all else. Specifically designed for the DJI Neo 2, ensuring a precise fit for your drone and its accessories. Crafted from premium fabric, this case offers exceptional durability, abrasion resistance, and a comfortable texture. Its rigid, shock-absorbing outer shell provides dependable protection against impacts and pressure. A soft velvet interior lining gently cushions your drone, preventing scratches and surface damage. The 3 electronics single-unit case is designed to hold spare propellers, screwdrivers, charging cables, carabiners, and other accessories, while the Fly-Ready Kit and Motion Fly-Ready Kit versions can also accommodate spare propellers, screws, tools, and cables for complete travel readiness. Equipped with both a handle and a shoulder strap, this carrying case offers convenient portability, ideal for travel, storage, and everyday use. On number 3, we have generic hard case. The generic hard case represents the ultimate level of protection, catering to the pilot who frequently flies in harsh environments, travels by air, or needs to check the drone as luggage. A hard shell storage case specially designed for the Neo 2, offering perfect compatibility and a comfortable PC material finish. Built with anti-compression and shock-resistant features, it includes a shock-absorbing inner lining to keep your device safe and well-organized. Effectively waterproof, the tightly sealed design prevents water intrusion and protects against splashes or spills. The exterior is crafted from highly impact-resistant hard material that withstands drops, pressure, and temperature extremes without deformation, ensuring long-lasting durability and strong load-bearing capacity. Equipped with ergonomic handles and custom shoulder straps, this case provides comfortable portability wherever your shooting adventures take you. While sacrificing some portability due to their size and weight, the generic hard case offers unparalleled security for the DJI Neo 2, its sensitive gimbal, and all electronic components against extreme conditions, from accidental drops to exposure to rain or sand. So these are some of the best cases to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.